Can Appskeen really help you get Spotify Premium? My honest review. Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to talk about a platform called Appskeen that claims to help you enjoy Spotify Premium for free. I've personally tried it, and in this video, I'll share my experience with you. Stick around to find out how it works and what you need to know. Before we dive in, let me clarify. Always make sure you're following the terms and conditions of any platform or service you use. This is simply a review of Appskeen based on my experience. What is Appskeen? Appskeen is a website that offers rewards, including subscriptions like Spotify Premium, in exchange for completing simple tasks. How to use Appskeen? First, I went to their website and searched for Spotify in the search box. After clicking on Download, I was asked to complete a task, downloading and using an app for a few minutes. It was straightforward, and once I finished, I received access to Spotify Premium features. My experience. My experience was positive. It worked as described. But remember, results may vary, and platforms like this may not always be consistent. Always proceed with caution and use your judgment. So can Appskeen help you get Spotify Premium for free? It worked for me, but it's always good to explore all your options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and tips. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried Appskeen or something similar? Thanks for watching.